city, it's my job to make Karachi a livable city. The architects can be the right guide, the right advisors who can give their input so that the government can incorporate those policies as per their advice and transform the city into a livable place, into a place which has space actually. I was just speaking to the president. I can explain my point of view to the architects, to the experts. The experts can explain their point of view to me, and we can converge our minds into creating policies which can be sustainable in the best interest of the city, of our province, of our country. So what I'd like to offer IAP is that KMC is looking at ways and means as to how can we engage with your industries. And taking this opportunity, I would like to offer that Karachi has multiple major streets. KMC has 106 streets which are under its jurisdiction. KMC has 46 public parks under its jurisdiction. KMC has dozens of playgrounds and sports facilities under its jurisdiction. What I'd like to do is, I'd like to make those places more appealing to the common man. I would like to make our road more appealing, right, in terms of presentation. If the facade of those buildings can be improved. If our parks can have proper planning in the sense that they have the basic M&P, but at the same time, they also have some sort of commercial activity in those public spaces so that people can come, have a good time with their family, and KFC can also make money out of it, and that money can be spent to further improve the facilities